right now, we are here at Barangay West Triangle, Quezon City. We are about to interview Meng San Sia. He is the barangay captain of the Barangay West Triangle. And so first thing first, how are you today, sir?
Okay, fine.
That's good. Now, should we start the interview? First question, sir. What is good governance for you?
Good governance is, it should be transparent. All the transactions should be transparent. All the, and also, the service is, you should give the service to the people who are needy.
Next question, sir. Was there any effect on your service here when you are ready?
Yes, there is some. There is event of somebody bribe, but I will not accept anything. I asked them if they want to bribe me. It's better they don't.
On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, how can you rate you and your team's efficiency doing your job as a barangay manager?
I think I cannot say what rate. This is my last time. I was elected this third time. No one was there's no other opposing this last election. Yeah, I think that's a problem of my sincerity to the service.
How do you define accountability?
Accountability, you should be open to all the transactions. Like there's a rules in law. There's a law and rules and the energy that you should post all our budget how much your budget and expenses we should put for the government. It was voting board.
Do you practice?
Yes, I do.
Sir, have you always been transparent?
Yes, okay.
Is there an event leading to your choice between being transparent?
I think
Is there an event leading to your choice between being transparent or
I always transparent. If there's somebody who wants to ask some more, I think they come to you to look all the books they are keeping so that they will know where's the money go, how much your expenses, how much your income.
was there a time when you only had to act everything on good faith without bias and assumption?
I always act in good faith. I always act fairly and honestly, so that nobody will say anything about you. But you cannot say that there's nobody will say anything to you. Kahit ginagawa mo na kabutihan, there's somebody na kalaban mo kahit ano, will say anything to you. I asked them if they want to see all the transaction days. I will come there. I asked them to come here.
Was there a time that you had been partial to your position and doing your responsibility?
No, I'm not partial. I always what is right is right. What is wrong is wrong. Even why.
Have you ever been in a situation where you have a great chance of taking advantage of someone or something?
No.
What?
I always see that I will not hurt anybody. And always my decision is always for the community. For the community, not for anyone, not for any personal. I always for the community, for the barangay community.
So I guess that pretty much summarizes all our questions to you. Any final words before we end?
The final word is always I ask those children they should involve in any community, any barangay activities, in any they should involve so that they will know how to someday they will become a official or want to go this place. You know how to do that job.